Hello everyone, my name is Keyang. This is a Sprint 1 video on Project EFTT. The project owner is Dr. Sajadi. In this sprint, my team is focusing on feasibility study, which is finding as more as possible expert advisors and test their profitability. Okay, let's start. I will mainly talk about 2 expert advisors in this video, since the others are not so profitable. The first one named as Cyclops. It runs with an indicator, which shows spikes when the currency pair is having a great trend of rising or falling. And it takes a trade when the indicator shows a bold 2 spike. The indicator applies SMA and RSI for filter, which means that slight fluctuations on the chart will not result into a spike on the indicator. This algorithm seems like applying this sort of martingale effort, which means that it will double the amount of buying when encountering a loss. The problem of this EA is that, on the whole testing process, no sell operation is made. The algorithms only buys in and making a significant profit, 381.80. I also run this algorithm on other date. Let's change the date onto the January 1st to January 31st. Now let's see the report. It makes a greater net profit, but there are also no sell operations. So we can make sure that this problem is caused by the algorithm itself, instead of the time period. This may be caused by the indicator, that the parameter setting for SMA filtering is not right. I may check it later if needed. The EA I championed for is VR setcut 3. This expert is running in a simple logic. First, it will find a proper entry point into the market. The expert will start selling or buying only if the price fluctuates severely. And the percentage of selling or buying is related to the rate of price change, which means the faster it rises, the more we sell, and vice versa. Second, the algorithm will keep holding the position until we get desired profit, which means that the expert will not perform a sell until its price rises high enough. Then, on the next buying operation, more amount will be bought. This is also the martingale strategy. Third, when facing a long-lasting falling trend, the algorithm will try to buy more to drag down the average price. This expert achieved a net profit of 186.68. It is a relatively conservative expert, and I believe it has potential if aggressively modified. That's all, thank you. If you have any questions, there is the contact information.